Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know your monitor model, be signed into an administrator account, and use the correct cable and port. Once ready, open Device Manager, use the Windows key +X, then select Device Manager. Expand the monitor's category and select the device entry that matches your screen. Right-click it, choose Update Driver to begin. This first action begins the driver path. It identifies whether Windows already has a newer driver, or if you need a manufacturer file. Next, decide the install method. Let Windows search automatically or download and point to the vendor package. If you download, match the monitor model and Windows bitness, extract ZIP files and note the inf or setup, exe. Use Browse My Computer for drivers, then browse to the extracted folder or run the vendor installer, run as administrator. If the driver is older than your OS, use compatibility mode. Once installation runs, follow prompts and allow the installer to replace the existing driver, then prepare to reboot. Finish by rebooting to apply changes, then open Display Settings to confirm native resolution and the correct refresh rate. This verifies the driver is active. If things look wrong, return to Device Manager, open the monitor entry, and use Roll Back Driver or uninstall the device and reinstall the driver. If the display is unusable, boot Safe Mode and reinstall or use System Restore. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into Safe Mode, uninstall the monitor driver, then install the manufacturer package while in Safe Mode to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.